Why is Passover not in a specific month? During Christmas.
Oh, because it's known that December. So the Passover,
March,
March, April.
Why? So which is which?
Yeah.
Wabethelwa nini lo muntu? Ngo-March noma ngo-April?
So according to you, you want it to be in a specific month.
We are celebrating an event. An event is documented.
Yeah.
By an event.
Yeah.
Now, it is documented as an event that occurred in a specific generation or era. And if there's such a thing, it needs to be written down as part of history.
But we are not celebrating a day, we are celebrating an event.
An event. Now, here's an event. Umshado wami is an event.
Yeah.
Birthday yami is an event.
Yeah.
But I can't have a birthday in March, nini ibe ngo-June. Which event am I celebrating?
Interesting.
Was I born ngo-June or ngo-July? Mina ngizalwa njalo. Then you do not know the event of that, the occurrence of that event. So my concern in Easter, noma good, whatever what we call it, is that the idea spiritually is correct, but the hidden agenda. Because the pagans, basenza sidumise into esingayazi collectively, and we call it a holiday, labakholile.
Sure.
Yabona? Now, just a thought I've forever had. Why is every rest day in the calendar written as a holy day?
Okay.
Why kuyilanga elingcwele?
Holy day.
Although they don't spell it the same,
Yeah.
but the word sounds. Why is it a holy day? They say what it is a day of rest. So they needed to make this calendar work for Christians. Hence the terms there were supposed to work for Christians. But how does this come about? Constantine, when the Council of Bishops come together, Constantine has a vision. That's what they say. I don't even believe that story.